Welcome or welcome back to my channel. You guys already know I'm back with another video, and as I'm period, you feel me? Today's video, I'm just going to be straightening my hair for the first time, and just in case if you guys are wondering, this is not my real hair. You guys should know that, but if you do not know that, that's fine. This is a lace front wig. This is a wig I made myself. If you guys are not new to this channel, then you guys already know that, I really don't like doing too much to my hair. I like to keep it like looking natural, like frizzy to me, a little messy to me is natural. I like a little wave. The hair I usually get is body wave, and this hair is actually body wave, but actually after multiple times of brushing it out, it ends up looking straight, but this hair actually is body wave. Yeah, so I basically decided to change it up for you guys. I'm actually do something to my hair, and I'm actually going to make a lot more videos of me doing something to my hair. This video I'm just going to be straightening it, and the hot tool that I'm using, it's just a flat iron. It's a 1-inch flat iron. I forgot the name of the flat iron, but if I do find it, I will link it down in the description box. But other than that, I do know that it's at Sally's Beauty Supply, so you guys definitely need to check out Sally's Beauty Supply. Don't be wasting your money on, crazy flat irons. Get something in your budget. You get what I'm saying? And even if it's way in your budget and it's expensive, I'm telling you, there are some pretty affordable items that you can check out and work out for you just well. You know what I mean? Don't be throwing that money away, girl. Don't be doing that. But yeah, other than that, I'm definitely just gonna, be taking time to flat iron this hair, and I'm gonna show you guys the results afterwards. I just wanted to, do a little hair routine, do a little hair care, if that makes sense. Something that I'm not used to. Actually, putting a hot tool to my hair, making my hair look sleek. That's what I'm going to be doing. But other than that, if you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be going through this video pretty fast. I'm going to speed it up sooner or later. And because you already know I don't want to talk off your ear, and I do talk pretty fast, and I do talk a lot, so I'm not going to do that to you, sis. But other than that, like I said, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.